Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than its year? Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is Earth's toxic twin. It has a similar mass and size to Earth, but its atmosphere is extremely hostile. If you were to set foot on Venus, you would be met with temperatures hot enough to melt lead and air pressure that would crush a submarine. But despite these extreme conditions, Venus has a very slow rotation rate, which means that a day on Venus is longer than its year. To be more precise, a day on Venus is 243 Earth days long, while its year is 225 Earth days long. This means that a year on Venus is shorter than 3 Earth days. So how is it possible for a day to be longer than a year? To understand this, we need to know a little bit about Venus's rotation. All planets in the solar system rotate on their axes with slight tilts. This is what gives us day and night. The Earth's rotational axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees. Venus, on the other hand, is only slightly tilted at 2 degrees. This means that the Sun would appear almost directly overhead on Venus throughout the year, and there would be very little variation in the length of day and night. However, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to Earth. A day on Earth starts with the Sun rising in the east and setting in the west. On Venus, however, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. This is because Venus rotates on its axis in the opposite direction to most other planets in the solar system. In addition to these two factors, Venus's atmosphere also plays a role in the length of its days. Venus's atmosphere is extremely thick, which causes a phenomenon called atmospheric drag. This is the same force that slows down satellites as they enter the Earth's atmosphere. Now you know that. Hit the like button for more space videos.